So we've got our cortisol that's helping you wake up in the morning. And then you see here, I love this line, the sleep urge. So obviously throughout the night, we have less of a sleep urge because we are sleeping. We see that it kind of comes up again between 12 and 2, and then it drops again. And then we see the sleep urge is quite strong again in the evening. So this is like when everything's working as it should be, when there's no other barriers for sleep. So a lot of people feel that their energy should be kind of this constant steady line throughout the day. That's not reality for most of us. We do have our hormones fluctuate in the day, so we do have this ebb and this flow in terms of our energy. So if we can tap into when we feel most energetic and least energetic and use that to our advantage, I think that's really helpful. So knowing that often when we're having lunch is a sleepier time of day, that is a time to kind of have some downtime and to rest before you perk up again in the day and your sleep urge kind of decreases again. So knowing that there's that little variant of sleep urge that happens just after lunch. I mean, that can be for various reasons, and how strong it is can influence and impact health. I mean, sometimes foods play a role in that, but knowing that there is a bit of a sleep urge that does occur then can be helpful. So know that's a natural body process. And I think, the Europeans have a good solution when they do their kind of 12 to 2 break in the day. A lot of countries do that. And that is kind of naturally when we do need to kind of rest a bit more.